Hello everyone. Today I'm going to solve a DSA problem uh, that's called wave pattern. Okay, and that's a linked list problem. Okay, I hope you like this, and it is a very important problem for interviews. Okay, and there is a lot of many companies already ask this problem. Okay, and let me share my screen. Then I will tell you that approach, and you can solve that problem easily. Okay, and if you are facing any difficulty, then you can comment it down. Then I will personally reply you, and you will understand properly. Okay, let me share my screen. I hope it's visible. Uh, okay, now it will okay. Now, in this problem, there is the name of this problem is wave pattern, and the description. First, read that problem, then understand that problem, then write code that problem in your mind, then write code in OJ, okay, or any OJ platform, okay. And let's first read that problem. Okay, the problem description is about given a linked list of unsorted integers with unique values. Okay, now there is, uh, sorry, I'm not going to use my paper. I am going to write here. I think it will, why this is, the size of this is not good. First is, here you can see, it is linked list unsorted integers with unique values. Okay, first line is unsorted integers with unique values. Let's write it. First is unsorted and integers. mm, Okay, now unique values. Sorry, and unique value. Okay, now what we need to check? We need to check that it forms a wave pattern or not. A sequence. We have to check its this linked list forms a wave pattern or not. Okay, what is wave pattern? A sequence is said to be a wave pattern if it is increasing then decreasing and alternately, or vice versa. Okay, here you can see, for example, if we have a linked list 4, 7, 2, 8, it's represent a wave pattern shown below. Here you can see 4, 7, 2, 8. This is the main thing here. Okay, we have to check uh, the first element should be less than or greater than equal to. If it is less than next element, then the next should be greater than that element. Okay, and here I hope you understand this problem. We have to just return true or false. Okay, now let me let me take this. Okay. Uh, Control A. I don't know why it is not. Let me just 1 minute. Yes. Here you can see this is our first linked list. Okay. Here 4 we have to write. Let me write 4. Now 7. 7 is greater than 4. Then we will write it here. Okay. Now here. Here is we write that 7. Now 3. 3 is less than 7 and now we write that here. It is less than 7, that's why we write that here. And after that we have 6. Now 6 is greater than 3. Then we are writing 6 here. Uh, Let me write this 6. Okay. After that, the last integers is 5. Let me write that here because it is less than 6. Okay. Uh, 5. Now you can see one pattern here. You can see one pattern here. This is increasing. Okay. And this is decreasing again. That means it once it's increasing again, and the next time it's decreasing. And again it is increasing and again it's decreasing. Okay, this is that's mean here you can see a subsequence is said to be wave pattern if it is increasing then decreasing alternately. Okay, or vice versa. Vice versa means it is decreasing and then increasing. Okay, that's mean this sorry. For this for these test cases, this is will be true. Okay, let me take that another test case. Then you will understand. Um, Let me write that here. Mm, Now for this linked list, now we are writing. Let me write two. Two is first index. Two is here. Five is greater than 5 is greater than 2. That means we are writing this here. Okay. Sorry, my handwriting not good in mouse. I'm using mouse to write 5. And now we have to check 8. But 8 is greater than 5. Now we will write 8 here. But here we are not going further from here. Here we can see we have the wave pattern. When wave pattern create, when the pattern is increasing then decreasing alternately. Okay, but here once it's increasing again it's increasing. That's why this is a not a wave pattern. Okay, let me write the 9 also. Here you can see 9 is also greater than 8. That's why we are writing that here. But 1 is less than 9. That's why we are writing 1 here. But here you can see this is not a creating wave pattern. Okay. But here, first, but in first test case, here you can see it's create a wave. First is increasing, then it's decreasing, then again it's increasing, then again it's decreasing. Okay, but here you can see it's increasing, again it's increasing, again it's increasing, but again it's decreasing. For these three integers, it's create a wave pattern. But for these two integers, it's not creating a wave pattern. That's why we have to return false for this test case. Okay. Now, let me tell you the approach how you can solve this problem easily. Okay. Now, if you are looking here, we have to just return true or false. Okay. For the most test cases, if you are taking in, let's take uh, answer. Uh, Let me write. What's happened here? Uh, mm, Here, I don't know what's happening, guys. Now, let me write this here. Then you will understand. Uh, okay, let me write this. Okay. Now, if we are taking at variable or flag, it's let me name that answer is equal to true. Okay. Now, we have to take another flag variable that's defined. What is the first? What is the first? It's increasing or decreasing. Okay. We have to take if it's increasing, then we will take true, or if it's decreasing, we will take false. You can change that. If it's increasing, you can take false, or decreasing, you can take true also. Okay. For another variable, we have to take that, but we before that we have to in that variable we have to check. No, before starting this, after answer, we have to take two variables, uh, that's previous or current. Okay, previous mm, denoting represent to the head, but current represent to the head dot next. Okay, I hope you understand till now. Otherwise, you can watch this video again till now, then you will understand this problem. Uh, Now, after this, we have to check. Uh, we have to write that variable flag. We have to, in that flag variable, we have to check let flag variable is equal to pre dot node. Sorry, greater than current dot node. Okay, it will returns true or it will returns false. Okay, now we have to loop on current node till null. Okay, we have to take a while loop and check the current node till null, and in that while loop we have to check if again we have to check. Let me take in that while loop we have to again write that let another flag. Okay, inside flag loop inside loop flag. mm, well, inside loop flag we have to check it again. Okay, if this is true, if both flag is same, then we will change that answer to false and break that loop. Otherwise it's going. Okay, after that, um, after the loop was finished, that we have to return the answer. Okay, now the main question is when we have to when we have to when you have to check that, and when we have to change that answer, and when we have to change this flag. Okay, when loop flag and loop flag in and flag is same, then we have to change this answer and break that loop. Otherwise, when this is not same, then we will update that flag. Flag is equal to loop flag. Okay, I hope you understand this video. This is a great topic for interview. I hope now you can solve this problem easily. And thank you. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.